Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to start a new notebook in NotebookLM. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser, go to the search bar, type in NotebookLM. Now, click on the link that says notebooklm.google.com. Click on this link and you'll be instantly taken to your NotebookLM's page. Here, you will see that you have different kind of notebooks available that you'd have created recently. In order to create new one, simply click on the plus create new button. And this will instantly take you to this page where you can easily upload your sources for your notebook, that is PDF, TXT, audio or any kind of file that will be supported here. You can add Google Drive link and paste text, then simply you'll be logged into your new notebook. Now, if you're already working on a notebook and you're wondering how you can go back just with one click to start a new notebook, what you'll have to simply do is simply click on the icon at the top left, that is NotebookLM's icon, and it will instantly take you to this page where you can click on create new and a new NotebookLM will be instantly created. So that is the simple way through which you can create new notebook in NotebookLM. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.